A fantabulous evening to esteemed dignitaries, respected sales teachers, honorable members of the meet, and my dear lovely brass ancestors. It's a great pleasure and privilege for me to be a part of this session. And in this session, at first, before getting to the session, at first, I thank you all for joining in this. And in this session, we are gonna watch the class of from Agastya International Foundation, and here we have Nagalakshmi ma'am from Agastya International Foundation. Ma'am has been working since 3 years, and she is leading Innovation Hub, and ma'am is going to guide us. So just mute yourself always, and whenever you get the chance to talk, just on that time only unmute yourself and talk. Be attentive and be formal, maintain the discipline, and just witness and watch, enjoy the session. So hope you're eagerly waiting to watch the session, guys. Without any late, let's get started. And now it's a great pleasure and privilege for me to invite such a great and man of letters, Nagalakshmi ma'am, to this wonderful session of Pelta. And thank you so much, ma'am, for joining in this. And over to you, ma'am. Welcome to the session.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Rahul, for inviting me. I'm very glad. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. Okay, thank you so much. Before starting the session, first, a thanks for everyone who has joined with a very patience and with your interest. Thank you for joining in this session. I hope all whatever the enthusiasm with what the curiosity you have joined in this session, I think it's going to be fulfilled with for you at the end of the session. Okay, without any delay, let's start our session. Okay. Okay, is this visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Before moving to the session, can I ask you something?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you for your answers. There is no restrictions that you have to mute yourself. You should not say anything. So whatever you want to say, you just mute yourself and say and reply for the answers. Reply for the questions. Okay.
Okay.
That my question is actually today's session is about the process about the design thinking. So before taking the session on design thinking, do you know what is the meaning of design thinking? What is the meaning of design thinking?
Solving the problem.
It's the path to innovation.
It is a path to innovate. Okay, good. And any more?
Innovating new things.
Innovating new things. Okay. Okay. So I think you're all.
Ma'am, design thinking is a design methodology that provides a solution for a particular problem or anything.
Okay. Okay, good. Okay. I think by the end of the session, you're all get the exact that means exact definition for the design thinking. You're all saying something innovative, new things, and it's the path to make innovative. So these answers are telling nice, good. But at the end of the session, you'll get the exact definition of the design thinking. What is the meaning of design thinking? Okay. So without any delay, let's get start session. So in this design thinking, in the session 1, we are going to, you're all just have a look on this. We are going to discuss about, these are the topics we are going to cover in this design thinking process. So these are all the activities that you are going to involve in these activities, like ice breaking and inspiration and superhero, and what is the process, design thinking process, imagination activity, practice observations, full life visit. And at the end of the session, you are going to have a maker activity that is a challenge that you are going to, it's like an assignment for you. It's gonna be a assignment for you at the end of the session that you have to complete the maker activity. And you have to generate a lot of ideas with your brainstorm. You have to brainstorm for that, and you have to complete the challenge at the end of the session. Okay, shall we start? What
Yes,
is
ma'am.
the first,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
yes, good. Okay, what is our first activity?
Ice breaking.
Ice breaking.
Ice breaking. So why this ice breaking is needed? Is it need for us?
Yes,
What is the meaning of ice breaking?
ma'am, talking.
Talking. Okay, good. And more? Talking. And I can I say the like playing,
Yes, ma'am.
playing. Okay. So why is this needed? Ice breaking activity is needed at the starting of the session.
To create a
Refresh.
particular thing.
To create. Tell me. To create.
Interest on particular thing.
Yes, interest in the particular thing. Very good. So to get the interest, we need some relief. So you are going to, since as in offline sessions, you are going to learn from morning to evening. You are going to learn English, math, computer, science. You are going to learn every subject, each and every subject, right? So your mind is full of, stubborn, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So yes. So to there is no work for the brain. So having a lot of work, it gets you get tired. So to get your mind active, to be in active mode, so we need just a break for your brain. So for that, we need ice breaking activity for the starting of the session to get your mind very active. So shall we start our ice breaking activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
in this ice breaking activity, we are having some riddles. Do you know what is meaning of riddles?
Yes, ma'am. Solving
Not
puzzles.
with should not say that is your riddles, just for fun. We are having some pictures on the screen. You are going to visible some pictures on the screen. You have
Yes,
to answer for those questions. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
It's getting very delay. So I'll start first slide. So is this appearing, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what begins with the T, ends with the T,
Ma'am,
and has T in it?
treat.
What it might be?
Talent.
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 Yes, very good. Okay. Very good. But see, my dear guys. So it has to begins with T, ends with T, but has T in it. It has T in it. So in the talent,
Teapot.
T,
Teapot. Teapot.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. Very good, you are right. Very good. So teapot, it starts with T, ends with T, and T in it. So the answer is teapot. Very good. So the next question. Two fathers and two sons are in a car. Yet there are only three people in the car. How is this possible? Did you get my point?
Grandfather, father, and son.
Ma'am, one father is
Grandfather,
grandfather
father,
and second
and the
father
son.
is children's. So two fathers.
Okay.
And he is son of his father. And another
Ma'am,
Very good.
grandfather and
Grandfather, father is a son. To father, son is his son. So two sons.
Okay, two sons. Then how the two fathers?
For boy,
boy is a grandfather and is a
grandfather is his father. So two fathers.
Very good. Very. Oh, very good. Very good. Okay. Thank you for your speed answer. Let's see this. Okay. Eva's mother had three children. The first was called April. The second was called May. What was the name of the third?
Eva.
June.
Eva. Right. Eva. So here Eva only telling that Eva is telling that Eva's mother had three children. So what might be the third child name? Eva.
Eva.
Yes, Eva. Yes, very good, guys. Okay. Can you find the number of triangles in the given figure in a 1 minute time? How many triangles you are going to find in this picture?
Ma'am, 15.
15?
15.
15?
Ma'am, 15, ma'am.
Okay.
20, ma'am.
Okay.
15.
20. Very good. You are up to near for the answer.
23.
Okay. There's a small difference. You are getting.
25.
25.
28, ma'am.
20. 28. Okay. And
29.
32, ma'am.
20, 32. You're finding many 32 triangles are there in this image.
27, ma'am.
7. Okay. I think this is a homework for you. Just draw this diagram in your paper. Tell me how many triangles you're finding in this image in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I will tell the
Okay,
answer
ma'am.
on that day. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Will you do this?
Yes,
Is there any?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Actually, I need to say this, but you are very active, so that I'm thinking that I need to give some work to them. So I'm giving a work to you that you have to find how many triangles are there in this image.
Okay, ma'am.
For the next class, you have to tell me the answer. Okay. Okay. Next one. Can you find the missing number? I mean, in these three images, which one is different?
Second, ma'am. Second. Ma'am, second.
How? Second. How you are saying the second one?
Ma'am, by seeing I.
Ma'am, second one.
Ma'am, I.
Yes.
1 and 3
3 are same.
same,
and
but 2 is different, ma'am.
Different.
Okay.
Ma'am, all are number, ma'am. Ma'am, all are different. Ma'am, all are different because 1, 2, and 3 are different numbers, ma'am.
Okay. It means all are different. Three images are different.
2 is different.
Yes, ma'am.
Two
one
is
is
different, right? Because the eyes
Eyes were
are different.
near.
Yes. So I think you are observing very clearly, right? Okay. Good. So what do you see in the given image?
Good. Evil.
Good.
Good.
Evil and good.
Ma'am, good.
Madam.
Ma'am, good. Ma'am, good and evil.
Evil and good.
And good.
Good and evil. Okay.
Yes,
So when you see, okay, guys. Okay, when you see this image, did you find the spontaneous, the two images? I mean, two letters or only one? By seeing this image, the spontaneous. Did
Ma'am,
you
good,
find the
good.
two images or
Good,
only
ma'am.
one?
Another letter.
Ma'am, good and evil.
Another letter, good,
Evil.
and another
Good and evil, madam.
evil. Very good.
Ma'am, one letter is good and evil is
Yes,
inside.
very good.
Is evil.
Leave.
Evil. Very good, guys. Very good. Okay. Now tell me, can you spot the wrong? Can you spot the wrong? What's wrong in this?
Ma'am, there is no shadow.
Ma'am, legs, ma'am, I think. Legs.
Yes.
Legs, ma'am.
Very good. Very good.
Legs,
very
ma'am,
good,
is
very
a
good.
duck leg.
Legs.
Duck like legs.
Yes. Rooster does not have webbed feet, right?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
So yes. So yes. First, who said that? Like the male voice. I heard the male voice. Hey, appreciating you. Very good. Okay. Now tell me this. Okay. What occurs twice in a week, once in a year, but never in a day?
Ma'am, E.
Alphabet
E,
Ma'am, E, ma'am.
Ma'am,
E.
Ma'am,
E, ma'am.
E. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good, guys. Very good. Very good. Appreciating you. Very good. Yes. Yes. There is a E letter
E, ma'am.
in a week and in a year, but there is no E letter word in a day, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
the
Yes,
answer
ma'am.
is E. Yes, very good, guys. Appreciating you, everyone. Those who replied for the answer for this question. So thank you. So, So what do you observe here? Let's observe and reflect. So can I ask you here something?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, guys, what is the difference between observe and reflect?
ma'am, observe means we are
Ma'am,
seeing
observing
and
means seeing and
reflect means we are answering.
Reflecting
reflecting
guys,
means
guys,
response.
Okay, only one.
Observing means we will.
Ma'am, observe means we are seeing that.
And reflecting
And
means
reflect means we are telling that answer.
Ma'am, observing
Okay.
means seeing and also understanding. Reflect means response.
Reflect means response. Okay.
Response.
Very good. Very good. Can you give an example for that?
we will read a
Madam, you shared the screen, ma'am. We are observing. If you asking
Okay.
the questions, we are reflecting on that questions.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Those who didn't get any idea, are you seeing a television daily? I mean TV daily?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you see ads for that?
Yes,
Will you see ads in this? Okay. Have you ever seen a Horlicks ad? Okay, guys. Have you ever seen Horlicks ad?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So she will. Yes. What she will do while they are going in a road, so they get a trouble that the tires get punctured. So there is no. She observed while her father is doing. She observed how he is doing, how he is repairing that tire. So when she got the trouble, there is no father.
reflected that.
So yes, what she observed, she reflected that. In the same way, observe and reflect are in the same way. So now I'm sharing a video, real story. Just watch a video, observe clearly, and what is that in that video? Just tell me after that video. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Just kindly watch the video. Observe clearly.
Ma'am, sound is not audible.
Yeah.
Madam,
Sound it won't be.
sound is
Only
not
it will be like
audible.
only. There is no audio, only just video. There is no audio for that. This is only a video.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Did you watch that video?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We are
Okay.
watching.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay, guys. Then what you observed in that video? Did you find anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, she
Yes,
girl
ma'am.
went to
The
school
video is so
regularly
much.
and she
Yes,
made
yeah, guys. Yeah, only one of you after the one. So if you say in a group, so I can't hear you, right? So tell me in a okay.
a girl went to school regularly and she made a tap and she made the colony members to go. She made tap and she made them to get water very easily. Before that, they would go to the rivers and they would drink. So she learned many things and she made the tap.
Okay. Okay. And anyone?
Ma'am, some different innovations and creations by different children.
Okay. Okay. And more? Yeah,
Children
Vaishnavi.
innovated for the
Ah.
colony members.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, helping
only
and
thing you have-
innovating. Ma'am, helping.
Helping. Okay.
When there is a
Okay.
scarcity of water, she observe it and she want to make anything for that. She she make a um,
Oh,
ma'am
what
observe
she has done.
She done
Okay.
a alarm.
Yeah, very good. So actually, very good, guys. So actually, what the video is based on, the sound of water. It means what? Uh, so actually, in her community, there is a regular water tap. So there is a one grandma. She used to make a sound when the water comes from the tank. She used to sit there and she used to observe regularly when the water comes during the sunlight in afternoon. She used to sit daily in there. So when the water comes, she used to make a sound for the community people. By that sound, they used to come there and they used to take the water.
Yes, ma'am.
But but the child observed one day. So instead of sitting the grandma there regularly, so is this necessary to sit grandma there? So why
No.
can't we make a sound for the water when the water comes? Why it automatically make a sound? So
Automatically.
yes, automatically. Why can't we make a sound when the water comes?
Yes.
So she thought that, and for that she learned from that, and she researched for that, and at last she make a one prototype, and she fixed it for the tank. And did you observe? She said something that
Yes, ma'am.
actually she used to say is when they made the prototype, the sound from that is it is very less. It is very low. The sound that will come from that prototype is very low. So the boy went for they brought antenna, right? The big
Yes.
mic set.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Sound of mic
So
set.
yes. Why they fixed that? While they are testing that prototype is whether it is working or not, they are testing that prototype. So while testing, they found that the sound from that prototype is very low. So the community people they can't hear. So the boy said that we fixed that antenna so that the sound will be very big. So community people can listen that sound and they will come from the near the tank. So they
Yes,
fixed the antenna. They give the connection to the prototype, and after they sat there, and when the water comes from the tank, it get the sound, and it is here for everyone. So everyone used to come there, and they can fill the tank, and they can take water regularly. So there is no need that grandma to sit there and watch the water. There is no necessary for the grandma to sit there daily. So this is the prototype that's made by the children. Um, did you I mean um, did you notice anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Only it means not only prototype, not only the problems
Ma'am,
come
helping
not
with
only from the
innovation.
yes, that innovation, yes, what we learned
Innovation
that
changes the
has
life.
to help for the yes, very good. So what you are learning that has to help for the community people, help for the others, that should help
Using
for the others.
knowledge for people's help.
Others.
Yes.
Using
So
our
the
knowledge
knowledge,
to our others.
yes,
Ma'am, you are in mute.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Okay, is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So, yes. So here our next slide is, who is your superhero in your life? Who is your superhero in your life?
Hulk.
Hulk.
Spider-Man.
Okay.
Parents.
Spider-Man. Why you have chosen that Spider-Man is your superhero?
He will save all the people.
He will save all the people. So it means he will help for the other, right? He will help.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. And so only that thing. Spider-Man is.
I think
He
Captain
will
America is the
all
best.
the enemies.
These are adventures to help, ma'am.
Okay. Adventures. Okay.
Ma'am,
It means
ma'am,
you
Captain
are.
America
He will save the people from the enemies and
Yes.
dangers.
Okay. Okay. It means you are choosing a superhero that he has to help for that helping others. Who
Yes,
helps
ma'am.
for others?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, not only that, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, because Captain America is,
Yeah. I'm not audible. So come again.
ma'am, not only Captain is helping people, but he has courage.
Courage. Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Okay.
he
Have you seen
chosen
superheroes
to
not
die
only? Okay.
because of country, ma'am.
Okay,
These
my
are-
dear hero. Okay. Okay. Have you seen any superheroes in your real life?
No.
My father.
No.
Yes, ma'am. I was.
Parents. Ma'am, soldiers. Soldiers.
Soldiers. Okay.
Police.
Okay. Okay.
Doctors.
Yes.
Farmer, ma'am.
Doctor. Oh,
Farmer.
okay.
Worker.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Police.
ourselves also our superhero.
Hero. Right. So okay. Here I'm having some superheroes in my life. Here. Okay, guys. I'm having here some superheroes that, as I said, that who helps for others is my superhero. If he's having courage, he's my superhero. If he's having strength, he's my superhero, right? So here also I'm having some superheroes in a real life. Just have a look on that. Okay. 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 So here he's one of the superhero because she has done a solar ironing cart. Solar ironing cart. It means what? She made a prototype like before, like what our girl done, the sound of water. In the same way, she has done the solar ironing cart. What is the use of this ironing cart? Can anyone?
Ma'am, I
What
know,
is the
ma'am.
use of this ironing cart?
Using the power of solar
Using
energy.
the power of solar energy,
Solar,
we will iron our
it converts
clothes.
light into heat, ma'am.
The heat
Yes,
produced
right.
from sun will
Instead
attach
of,
it to the iron.
electric
Yes,
energy,
we all
will
know
use
that.
solar
Yes.
energy, ma'am.
Yes. So the only thing is we can iron our clothes by using the solar energy. From the solar energy, we are getting the electricity. So with that, we can iron our clothes.
Yes.
So why we
Yes, ma'am.
can't we make with the coal? With the coal also we can iron our
Ma'am, because
clothes,
coal
right?
is so less, ma'am.
Coal is so less.
Ma'am.
Okay. So I'm having
Ma'am, can I?
yeah.
Ma'am, renewable resource.
Ma'am, it is a renewable resource.
It is a renewable resource.
We can-
Okay.
How much we can?
But
use-
sun is not renewable resource.
Ma'am, sun is renewable resource.
Okay. So why can't we make with the coal? Why we have to make this solar ironing cart?
Ma'am,
We are making with the coal.
Ma'am, coal is so less, ma'am.
Madam, coal will be decreasing, ma'am.
Okay.
Coal is
Uh,
not.
Coal
Ma'am,
is
it
so
is,
less, ma'am.
Coal and other resources.
Okay. Okay, guys, your answers are excellent. Yes, your answers are excellent. Yes, your answers are excellent. Yes, with that coal, so where does the coal come from? From the trees, right? From the trees.
Yes, ma'am.
So it might be
Yes, ma'am.
deforestation. So cutting the trees, it might get the deforestation. So
Yes.
all the trees are getting cut. So to
Ma'am, and
reduce
also
that,
from our relative.
yes. So she thought that why can't we make a solar and why can't we make a ironing cart with the solar? So she made a research on that, and she has done a solar ironing cart and win the and exhibited in an innovation fair, and she has selected for the national level of the science fair. So there is no there is no there is any, I mean, how can say, the problem will be in your surroundings, but you have to recognize that problem, whether it is a problem or not. What
Observe
we have
and
to do
reflect.
for that problem? Yes, we have to observe our surroundings. So what my changes should be done? My surroundings. What innovative I have to do? My surroundings. So you have to think, you have to observe. First, you have to observe the surroundings, like she observed. So so like this, she is having one of my friend daughter. So she has done expanded plate. So we are having a we'll bring lunch boxes daily for our schools, right? So she expanded that plate. So she made many boxes for that. There was a hook to that. There is a hook, like, see, there is a hooks to that boxes. So with that, the plate going to be expanded. So like that. So we can make many. We can bring many curries like that. This is already we had seen. Now we are using this dustbin. The press, if we press the down one, the lid is going to open, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, madam.
yes, yes, and this is the one. While cleaning her room, her eyes is going to be red, because when she is cleaning the room, all the dust, whatever the dust will be there, that is going to be in her eyes. So it's going to be
Yes,
be a red. So to avoid that, the girl, these two girls, Swada Krish and Swastik Shubham Sut, so they had done a very good idea that why we can't apply a groom to net. They applied a groom, a net to that groom. So with that, all the dust, whatever the dust it is cleaning, it automatically falls into that net, whatever they are covered to the broom. So there is no problem. It won't fall down. It won't fall on eyes. So our eyes will be very clear. So our work also will be very perfect. So they made an idea. And the glass for the plate. So they helped something. So this is a shoe. So my mother washed the shoes, but it is already 8 o'clock, but my shoes already till it is a wet. So how I should go to school? So she made a model that for the shoe, she made that middle, the red one you are having. Have you seen the red one in the middle for the shoe?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, madam.
In that middle, the heat filament will be there. So with that heat filament, when she plugged that, when she plugged in, it's going to be with that heat filament. The outer one and the inner one is going to be dry with that heat filament. So our shoe is going to be dry within a second. So we can go to schools in a time. So with this, she made a model, and this is stairs. So old man used to go to stairs, and they used to fall from there and got an itch. So to avoid that, they made this. And to cut cabbages and all, it is a mission for the farmers. It automatically cut the cabbages, so the work will be reduced. So there is no labor. So it reduces the amount and it reduces the work and the time. So this is the done. And have you ever known that plates that will be stick with the leaves?
Yes, ma'am.
What we can
ఇస్తార్లు
in Telugu?
ఇస్తారాకులు
Istarlu.
ఇస్తారాకులు
Istarakulu. So they used to make with the hand, right? So instead of yes, instead of making with the hand, they made a model. It automatically that it will make automatically a plate with that sticks. And this is the shoe. When we from morning to evening, we used to wear a shoes, so it gets some sweat in that. So to absorb that sweat in the middle, the white one, she applied a sweat absorbing cloth. So whatever the sweat will come from the shoe, they automatically absorbs and it gives that sweat won't be up. And this is the one. Farmers are used to regularly used to cut the trees. So while they are cutting, they might be injured. So suddenly there won't be a first aid there, and it's going to be a wound there. So to reduce that, for that handle, they made a first aid here. For that handle only, they fixed the first aid. So while they are cutting, if any injury is happening, so they within a fraction of seconds, they may first aid for that injury. So this is a machine for the flowers who are grooming that flowers, and so who are knocking the flowers. So there is a machine for that who are flower knocking. So this is a machine. So these are my superheroes in my life. Will you agree with this?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, madam.
Okay. Will you also want to be a superhero in your life?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, sounds are good. So you want to be a superhero in your life. So for that you have to make a prototype. You have to observe your surroundings. What the problem they are facing. What should be repaired? What should be make innovative models? What should be make innovative prototypes? So you have to observe your surroundings, or your community, your gardening area, your study table, your kitchen, your bedroom, your hall. So whatever it may be, just observe your surroundings. Think on that. Make a prototype. Make an innovative model for that, and get appreciation from your parents that you are a superhero in your life. Okay. So did you get any idea what is the meaning of design thinking?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, can anyone tell me what is the meaning of design thinking?
Ma'am, observing and reflecting on the problem in our surroundings and helping with our innovations. Observe the
Very good. Very good. Very good.
Finding the problems around our surroundings and finding the solutions.
Finding the solution. Very good. Very good. And moreover, any answers for this question? Okay, I think you are all very clear about the design thinking. What is the meaning of design thinking, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So will you do any like this? Are you very exciting to do this like this model?
Yes, ma'am.
Like
Yes,
this
ma'am.
model,
We are
like-
excited.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
are excited, right? So
Yes,
so if you are excited, just as a little assignment for you. So for the next class, by the next class, you have to generate some ideas to me to make a prototype.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, will you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So just observe your surroundings. Okay, observe your surroundings. So
Okay,
what
ma'am.
might changes should be done. So just generate me some ideas so that we'll make a prototype for that model, for that idea. Okay. Okay. In the next class, we are going to discuss about the process. What is the design thinking process? What are the steps should be taken for the to implement design thinking? The process you are going to, as already you seen in the session 1 curriculum. So you are going to see in the next class the process of the design thinking and the activity you are going to be done, practice observation and the maker activity. So these are all the concepts you are going to be learned in the next class. The whole design thinking process, what are the steps should be taken to follow design thinking. So these are all you are going to be learned in the next class. For the next class, I need some ideas should be generated from you to make a prototype.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Will you generate me any ideas for the next class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
We will generate.
Sure.
Yes, I hope. Sounds are good. So I hope you all will generate me ideas. With,
Class was extremely wonderful and stupendous, and the way you have explained the video and the slides is just simply outstanding. And this is the wonderful class I have ever seen, ma'am. Thank you so much. And we will definitely do the prototype and the assignment what you have assigned for us, and we would empathize the problems, and we would search the problems in our surroundings, and we would try our best, ma'am. Thank you so much for your wonderful class, and a pleasure and fortunate to have you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
thank you, Rahul.
And thank you so much, guys, for listening towards ma'am with such an utter patience. Let's meet on another day with ma'am, and hope you like the session. Thank you so much.
Children, I am sharing your Google Classroom once. You look at it and you see your name. So, design thinking course, Agastya and Eldavarang Larman. And here the children, people in this. So, you can find 69 students. So, Anuradha, Kirti, Bano Tanil. So, you find your name also here. And we'll provide you assignments on this platform. You have to do all these things. So if you find any trouble or any difficulty, so please feel free to ask us. Okay, so I think you have our mobile number, and anytime you can ask. And next class will be on Saturday at the same time.
Okay,
Thank you
sir.
all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.